So for today's video, I'm going to show you complements of 100, which is basically just different combinations of numbers that you can add up that make 100. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So we know that 3 ones plus 7 ones equals 10. So 3 tens plus 7 tens equals 10 tens. And I've got these base 10 blocks here to show you that as a visual. Basically, we know that 30 plus 70 equals 100. Let's break up one of these tens into 2 5s. Okay, so let's take a look at this. What new facts do we know now? So looking at this base 10 block here, now we've got base 1 blocks as well. We know that 45 plus 55 equals 100. So for this example, we're going to find the missing numbers below. So for the first one here, I've got blank plus 85 equals 100. So what is the missing number here? Very good, it's 15. Looking at the problem right above me, we've got 25 here, and we've got a missing number here. So what is that missing number? Very good, it's 75. Okay, now maybe it's not exactly like 25% of it's taken up, but you get the idea here, okay? So for the bonus activity, I want you to write calculations that add to 100. So just like what I showed you previously, for my example, I've got 45 plus 55 equals 100. So just make up 5 problems like that on your own. And please don't use the one I just showed. So for this bonus activity, I want you to find the missing numbers below. So all these missing numbers here, just find them, okay? And remember, they have to add up to 100, please. And for the final bonus activity, again, I just want you to find the missing numbers below. So I've got these 4 examples and just fill in the blank, basically. So that's today's video, and I just wanted to show you some different combinations of how to get numbers adding up to 100. I mean, there's tons, again, as usual. So if you have any that you would like to share or talk about, just drop them in the comments down below. Okay, that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.